So synthetic biology has traditionally been thought of as the redesign and re-engineering of biological parts for devices or systems. This has been largely focused on biochemistry developments, such as molecular engineering, which encompasses techniques such as DNA sequencing and synthesis. This has especially been key for the production of high-value chemicals and pharmaceuticals, and also medical advancements. However, now research is moving towards this newly refocused field of engineering biology. This takes all of the benefits of the progress in synthetic biology, but also encompasses growth in other areas as well. And this allows us to have a really cohesive and interdisciplinary approach to the development of new bio-integrated systems and materials, which will allow us to solve real-world problems. To do this, engineering biology combines synthetic biology with genomics, bioinformatics, material sciences, machine learning and AI, all alongside new manufacturing capabilities for high-throughput prediction, discovery and production. The field really has two main facets. So one is the engineering of biological systems to produce molecules or materials of interest. And in these cases, the biological part is not actually part of the final material. The other is the engineering of materials that end up containing a living biological part in the end product. So with increased populations and limited resources, we're faced with many difficult problems that need imminent solutions. There is a growing consensus that this is an untapped space with real potential. Biology has evolved over thousands of years to achieve capabilities that were yet to imitate in synthetic systems. It's also capable of adapting and responding to the environment and evolving accordingly. It may use a single simple entity, such as a bacteria, to produce molecules that can take us many complicated synthetic steps to achieve. And so by applying an integrated approach, we can combine the advantages of synthetic biology with the benefits of synthetic systems that we've developed. Also recently, the cost of the underlying technologies has got significantly cheaper. For example, the original Human Genome Project in 2001 took 10 months and $3 billion to achieve. But by 2020, deciphering a human genome took less than an hour and cost $1,000. And in the UK, investment in this area has also really stepped up. There's been more than £300 million of public sector investment, and alongside this, private investment has really allowed numerous startup companies to grow. We now have the infrastructure and support to really achieve our capabilities in this research and move the technologies to higher technology readiness levels so that we can capitalise on this. And to help with this, the UKRI and DSDL have recently announced the National Engineering Biology Programme. So a lot of the potential for engineering biology in defence and security is the same as any other sector. In an effort to be more sustainable, we need circular economies for things like fuel, electronics and polymers. We also need bio-based materials that have the same or improved functionalities as the materials we already use, but these could then be easily degraded and recycled at end of life. Biomanufacturing has the potential to produce alternative feedstocks and production processes that could improve efficiency and costs as well. And finally, national security is also dependent on adequate food production and healthcare. For the future of defence in particular, we're interested in the potential of engineering biology for new materials with novel functional properties. These may include self-healing, in situ growth, sensing and adaptability. These have the potential to impact so many applications, including robotics, health performance and batteries.